Today we are going to look at the 5 variables that affect the cleaning times and then ultimately affect the assisted cleaning price. So the first variable that we're going to look at is we're going to look at building types. So let's go back to Office, which is our most commonly used module. So if we look at office space, 65,000 square feet, 3 times a week, medium difficulty, and half carpet, half hard floors, and we go to the next step, you'll see some other inputs that we have here. But when we skip down to the cleaning time, that is the most important aspect of all of this because this is the number that we would use to go back into our do-it-yourself calculator and get more advanced. But 14 hours and 51 minutes is going to be the time that we use. And if we go back here, you can see that if we go up, or let's go down to a restaurant, that number should shoot up substantially. So yeah, we've got 37 hours and 6 minutes based upon it being a restaurant. The same information, if we go to an office space, it is 14 hours and 51 minutes. So that is one of the variables. It's based upon building type.